Hello guys, today I'm going to introduce you another product from LaiFug. Now let's begin. When you cut this, be careful. Don't too deep, not too deep. Slowly, gently. This is a little complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 parts. And this model is 4 to 8. This is the cover. And this one is waterproof for the cushion. Here are the 2 cushions. Now let's open it. As you see, it's completely packed. Very easy. The first cushion is like a pillow. And the second one, I'm gonna use the knife a little bit. Rip it off. See, this is a cushion. It's getting bigger and bigger. We wait until it's fully, and this is our high-end product. It's advanced material. See, this cushion is memorable. It feels soft. It's very comfortable to sit or to lie on this form. All set. As you can see, this is very comfortable for pets to lie, to sleep, and the cover is washable. You can just open it and throw it into the washing machine. And inside we have waterproof cover, so no worry about the water. And the zip, always we use the big brand zipper. That is it.